Jetstream. Introducing the Pro Boat 1/6 scale 24-inch Jetstream jet boat, the ultimate RC basher jet boat for water enthusiasts of all ages. Powered by a high-performance, water-cooled brushless system, this jet boat can reach speeds of 30+ mph with ease. Its reverse gate feature allows for realistic maneuvering and quick recovery if it flips, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced boaters. The sturdy ABS hull and armor-plated underside ensure durability, while the LED lights add a cool visual effect. The Pro Boat 1/6 scale 24-inch Jetstream jet boat is priced at approximately $549.99. Traxxas Disruptor. Introducing the Traxxas Disruptor, the ultimate high-performance RC boat for thrill-seekers and water enthusiasts. Powered by a Valinian VXL4's marine brushless system, the Disruptor delivers exhilarating speeds of 40+ mph on a single 4's LiPo battery. Its 26-inch deep V hull ensures stability and agility on small ponds and open water, while the rapid right self-righting security feature allows for quick recovery if it capsizes. With water-cooled electronics and a rugged ABS hull, the Traxxas Disruptor is built to handle wild stunts and provide non-stop fun. The Traxxas Disruptor is priced at approximately $349.99. Super Sonicwake. The Pro Boat Super Sonicwake 48-inch, the ultimate high-speed RC boat for adrenaline junkies and water enthusiasts. Powered by a factory-installed Spectrum 8S brushless power system, this beast can reach speeds of 50+ mph, tearing through large lakes and ponds with ease. Its self-righting design ensures quick recovery if it capsizes, while underwater LEDs add a stunning visual effect during evening runs. The thick ABS hull provides durability, handling big jumps and rough waters effortlessly. Whether you're looking for thrilling high-speed runs or impressive stunts, the Pro Boat Super Sonicwake 48-inch delivers unmatched performance and excitement. The Pro Boat Super Sonicwake 48-inch is priced at approximately $699.99. Spartan SR. The Traxxas Spartan SR, the ultimate high-speed RC boat for adrenaline junkies and water enthusiasts. Powered by a Valinian VXL SIXS marine brushless system, the Spartan SR delivers heart-pounding speeds of 50+ mph. Its self-righting feature ensures quick recovery if it flips, allowing you to get back to full throttle action in seconds. The deep V ABS hull provides razor-sharp handling and superior stability, while the advanced electronics layout improves precision and control. Whether you're racing on a pond or performing stunts on a lake, the Traxxas Spartan SR offers unmatched performance and excitement. The Traxxas Spartan SR is priced at approximately $449.95 for the base model. Barbwire 3. The Atomik Barbwire 3, the ultimate high-speed RC racing boat for water enthusiasts. Powered by a high-performance water-cooled brushless motor, this ready-to-run deep V boat can reach speeds of 30+ mph right out of the box. Its self-righting hull design ensures quick recovery if it flips, making swimming out to right your boat a thing of the past. With adjustable stainless steel turn fins, trim tabs, and an alloy rudder, the Barbwire 3 offers exceptional handling and control. Whether you're racing on a pond or performing stunts on a lake, the Atomik Barbwire 3 delivers unmatched performance and excitement. The Atomik Barbwire 3 is priced at approximately $209.95 for the ready-to-run electric brushless RC boat model. DCB M41. Introducing the Traxxas DCB M41, the ultimate high-speed RC catamaran for water enthusiasts. Powered by a Valinian VXL SIXS marine brushless system, this catamaran can reach speeds of 50+ mph with a pair of 3-cell LiPo batteries. Its 40-inch wide-body hull ensures stability and agility on the water, while the waterproof electronics and self-righting design provide durability and quick recovery if it flips. Equipped with aluminum drive struts, rudder support, and stainless steel trim tabs, the DCB M41 offers exceptional handling and performance. The Traxxas DCB M41 is priced at approximately $449.95 for the base model. This high-speed RC catamaran offers impressive performance and features, making it a great choice for water enthusiasts. Pro Boat Recoil. The Pro Boat Recoil, the ultimate high-speed RC deep V boat for adrenaline junkies and water enthusiasts. Powered by a 2100 kV brushless motor and a 60 amp ESC, the Recoil delivers thrilling speeds of 30+ mph on a single 3S LiPo battery. Its self-righting design ensures quick recovery if it flips, allowing you to get back to action in seconds. The deep V hull provides stability and agility on the water, while the water-cooled electronics add durability and performance. The Pro Boat Recoil is priced at approximately $199.99 for the 18-inch model and $350 for the 26 model. Blackjack. Introducing the Pro Boat Blackjack 24-inch, the ultimate high-speed RC catamaran for water enthusiasts. Powered by a brushless 2000 kV water-cooled motor, this catamaran can reach speeds of 30+ mph with optional accessories. Its offset rudder system provides superb stability, while the waterproof steering servo and one-piece internal electronics tray ensure durability and easy maintenance. The Spectrum STX 2.4 GHz FHSS radio system offers reliable control, and the ABS hull adds to its ruggedness. The Pro Boat Blackjack 24-inch is priced at approximately $299.99 for the ready-to-run model. This price includes the brushless power system and Spectrum electronics, making it a great choice for high-speed RC catamaran enthusiasts. Pro Boat PCF. Introducing the Pro Boat PCF Mark I 24-inch Swift Patrol Craft RTR, a high-performance RC boat that brings history to life. This ready-to-run model is a 1/25th scale replica of the Swift boats used during the Vietnam War, featuring high-quality ABS hull with authentic military trim scheme. Powered by two 390 brushed motors, it delivers impressive performance and maneuverability on the water. The Spectrum SLT 3-channel radio and 40 amp ESC/RX 2-in-1 provide dependable control, while LED lights and magnetic hands-free wire connectors enhance its display-worthy detail. The Pro Boat PCF Mark I 24-inch Swift Patrol Craft RTR is priced at approximately $489.90. Traxxas Spartan. Introducing the Traxxas Spartan, the ultimate high-speed RC boat for adrenaline junkies and water enthusiasts. Powered by a Valinian VXL SIXS marine brushless system, the Spartan delivers heart-pounding speeds of 50+ mph. Its self-righting feature ensures quick recovery if it flips, allowing you to get back to full throttle action in seconds. The Deep V ABS hull provides razor-sharp handling and superior stability, while the water-cooled electronics add durability and performance. The Traxxas Spartan is priced at approximately $429.99 for the base model on Amazon. Traxxas M41. The Traxxas M41, the ultimate high-speed RC catamaran for water enthusiasts. Powered by a Valinian VXL SIXS marine brushless system, this catamaran can reach speeds of 50+ mph with a pair of 3-cell LiPo batteries. Its 40-inch wide-body hull ensures stability and agility on the water, while the waterproof electronics and self-righting design provide durability and quick recovery if it flips. Equipped with aluminum drive struts, rudder support, and stainless steel trim tabs, the Traxxas M41 offers exceptional handling and performance. Whether you're racing on a pond or enjoying a fun run on a lake, the Traxxas M41 delivers unmatched speed and excitement. The Traxxas M41 is priced at approximately $449.95 for the base model on Amazon. Pro Boat Impulse. Introducing the Pro Boat Impulse 32-inch brushless Deep V RTR, the ultimate RC boat for high-speed enthusiasts. Powered by a water-cooled 2000 kV brushless motor, this Deep V hull boat can reach speeds of 55+ mph. Featuring Spectrum Smart technology, the Impulse 32 offers telemetry for real-time performance data, including battery voltage, ESC temperature, and motor RPM. The multi-layered fiberglass composite hull and waterproof electronics ensure durability and performance, while the aluminum propeller strut and rudder provide stability and control. The Pro Boat Impulse 32-inch brushless Deep V RTR is priced at approximately $329.99 on Amazon.